Have you ever wanted to start working out but felt overwhelmed by complicated routines and expensive equipment? You're not alone. Imagine a workout that's simple, effective, and requires no equipment at all. This guide is designed for beginners who want to get fit without leaving their home. By the end of this guide, you'll have a complete workout plan that you can do anytime, anywhere. Ready to transform your body and mind? Let's dive in. One of the biggest barriers to starting a workout routine is the need for equipment. But guess what? You don't need any. This workout is entirely equipment-free. It's designed to be accessible to everyone, regardless of fitness level. Each exercise is simple yet effective, targeting different parts of your body. Consistency is crucial when it comes to fitness. That's why this workout is designed to be enjoyable and easy to stick to. Plus, you can do it all from the comfort of your home. No more excuses. So, are you ready to get started? Clear a small space in your living room, put on some comfortable clothes, and let's begin this journey together. Before diving into the main workout, it's essential to warm up your body. Warming up helps prevent injuries and prepares your muscles for exercise. We'll start with two simple but effective warm-up exercises: jumping jacks and arm circles. Jumping jacks are a great way to get your heart rate up. Stand with your feet together and your arms at your sides. Jump up, spreading your legs shoulder-width apart while raising your arms above your head. Jump back to the starting position. Repeat for 1 minute. Next, we'll move on to arm circles. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and extend your arms out to the sides. Start making small circles with your arms, gradually increasing the size of the circles. After 30 seconds, reverse the direction. Warm-ups are crucial for a successful workout. They prepare your body and mind for the exercises ahead. By incorporating jumping jacks and arm circles, you'll be ready to tackle the main workout with energy and enthusiasm. Remember, warming up should never be skipped. Now that you're warmed up, it's time to dive into the main workout. This routine includes 5 key exercises: squats, push-ups, lunges, planks, and glute bridges. Let's start with bodyweight squats. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower your body as if you're sitting in a chair, keeping your back straight and your knees behind your toes. Push back up. Repeat 15 times. Next, push-ups. Lie face down with your hands shoulder-width apart. Push your body up, keeping your back straight and core engaged. Lower yourself back down. Lunges are great for your legs and glutes. Stand with your feet together. Step forward with one leg, lowering your hips until both knees are bent at about 90 degrees. Planks are excellent for your core. Lift your body onto your forearms and toes, keeping a straight line. Finally, glute bridges. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips, squeezing your glutes. Lower back down. Repeat 15 times. Each exercise targets different muscle groups, providing a full-body workout. After an intense workout, it's crucial to cool down. Cooling down helps your body recover and reduces muscle soreness. Focus on stretching and breathing to relax your muscles and mind. Start with a hamstring stretch. Reach forward, trying to touch your toes. Next, a quad stretch. Stand on one leg and pull your other leg behind you. For your upper body, do a shoulder stretch. Bring one arm across your chest. Finally, focus on deep breathing. Sit comfortably and close your eyes. Inhale deeply through your nose. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Stretching and breathing help you feel relaxed and rejuvenated. Starting a new workout routine is exciting, but staying consistent can be challenging. Consistency is the key to seeing results. Set realistic goals and track your progress. Celebrate achievements, no matter how small. Find a workout buddy to stay accountable. Mix up your routine to keep things interesting. Listen to your body and rest when needed. Fitness is a journey. Stay committed and enjoy the process. Thank you for joining me on this fitness journey. I hope this beginner-friendly workout routine helps you get started on the path to a healthier you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips. Your support means a lot and helps us to continue to bring you valuable information. By liking and subscribing, you'll never miss a new video. Click the link below for exclusive content and additional resources to help you on your wellness journey. Let's stay healthy together. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you in the next workout.